Okay, so we open our web wellness application, we go to registry and choose a patient. Then we go to rapid test in order to launch a test. We click on launch when we are connected to all the electrodes. When the test is done, we click on process to process the test. Then, with LifeExpert Profi, we need to do harmonization and the other test, because in this case we actually need to compare both tests with each other, as you heard on our last webinar. I need to go to general conditions of organs and systems and to look at the type of vegetative nervous system in order to choose harmonization meridian, increase of parasympathetic division tonus. Okay, here we got the description. Parasympathetic nervous system is the first type. We need to put vertical meridian. Here are the 4 general meridians. Depending on the type of a nervous system, we choose one. In this case, vertical meridian, duration 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, I want to remind you where to find in general conditions of systems, and it will be here. Then we go to bioresonance therapy, where all the meridians are located: 4 general meridians, 12 classical Chinese meridians, and 8 whole meridians. What we need to do in this case, if we do harmonization, we choose harmonization, we choose time 2 or 3 minutes, when the person should be connected all the time to the laptop with our electrodes. When we choose the meridian, we need to click on checkup. Right now I can't do it because my device is not connected. Once the checkup is finished, this star, this is unseen star of meridians, will be blooming. The device will be choosing the frequency for us, will be doing control. When the control checkup is done, you will see the affirmative message on the screen. You need to click OK. Then you launch harmonization. While we do harmonization, the person can keep his eyes open. This is just harmonization. We do not do any measurement. But when the measurement is done, please make sure that the person has his eyes closed. Once the harmonization is done, we go to rapid test again and we launch our second rapid test. Once the test is done, we click on process to process the results. Then we go to general conditions of systems, we open the test before harmonization, comparison mode, and then after harmonization, and we compare the results. The test after harmonization will be the real one, and as you can see, the results are a little bit different. It's normal. Thank you very much. Then we go to bioresonance therapy if what we need is not harmonization but a real therapy. The therapy can be done for now during 19 minutes as maximum. The number should be odd. This should be not a couple number. So we choose different meridians by double clicking on the meridian. Let's imagine we have 20 minutes. Here we can click to switch time. All depends on our needs. Up to 19 minutes. Then the same way we click on checkup. When the star stops blooming and the affirmative message disappears, we click launch. Here we can choose the testing date, the one where we are going to do this measurement. And here is auto selection of bioresonance therapy or auto selection of harmonization. After watching this webinar, I suggest you to do it manually, because this way you can be sure of what you choose. If you choose auto selection and you will see the meridian of heart, liver or kidney, please put the prolongation to 0.5 minutes. if it's heart, liver or kidneys. Everything will be explained in the webinar. Thank you for your attention. All these webinars, all these meridians on the webinar will be described. These are their names in the application. By resonance therapy. We can open it when we choose a patient.